It is already solved, but first I have to scramble it. First we have to make the white cross. There is no method to make it, we can make it easily. We got the cross. Now we have to make all the pieces equal. We don't have the equal pieces, so we have to bring this piece to here and this piece to here. Now we got two colors having the center and the edge piece. Now we need to make these two. We have to bring this here and this to here. If you directly get the good cross, it will be easy to solve the first layer. So now we'll solve the first layer. First we got a piece with green and orange. So we have to find where the green and orange should be. We should get it here. So that we have to bring this white piece till here and we will get the orange and green pieces to here. We got it. Now we got a piece with blue and orange. It was in this piece. So that we have to bring this to here, this to here and this to here. Now we also got it. In this piece we have red and blue. We need red and blue at here. Now that is this is the last piece, so that we don't need to worry for it. Now we have to do the second layer. I've already got one piece. First we have to make a T of any color. Then we have to see which color does it contain at the bottom part. This blue T is containing orange at its bottom part. So we have to put the orange at the opposite of the orange side. Then we have to do like this. We got it. And now we are getting a T for the blue again. So we can this contains red, so we have to keep it at the opposite and again use that trick. We got it. Now we need the last piece. We have to make a T of orange or green. So now we got the T for orange. But if you sometimes you even get a T with containing the yellow at the opposite, so that we can't use it. We can only use it if it contains other colors, not yellow. We have to place it at the opposite of green. Again that's trick. Now we have to make a back cross. So we have already got a small L shape. So I am facing it towards others, you. If I face towards me, it is like this. We have to do it like this. Now we got a line. This is, if you get it directly, it's easier to make a cross. Now we again have to use this trick. Now we got the back cross. Now we have to make all the edge pieces equal with their color. So we have to see in which the two least colors are fitting. Orange and red. So we have to use this formula. we have to make it equal. We got the least 2. Now we have to fit these 2 in their places. So we have to again use this trick. Now we have all the pieces equal. Now we have to settle up the corner pieces in their places. And this is not in its place. So we have to do it like this. We are again not getting it. Now it is in its place. Now this. This is also in its place. This is not. This has got suffered, so that we have to use it again. Now we have got all the pieces. Now we have to use this formula. So these two. We again got this condition. So now we can solve it in one formula. Again that. So now I solved this cube.